What's up YouTube, it's your boy Dangane once again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do a review about Consummate Traders prop firm. Actually, this is an African prop firm. This one is our African prop firm, guys. So now my question is this the best prop firm traders in Africa? So stick around, watch until the video ends so that you can find out whether this prop firm is best for us Africans or not. So, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you have any question regarding this. So, yeah, let's get in the video. As you can see, I'm on their website now, as you can see. So, okay. The leading prop firm, trading firm. We fund you, you trade, we pay you. At Consummate Traders, we provide you with funding and take care of the risks so that you can enjoy up to 90% of the profits that you make. So get funded. And they have a free trial also. The good thing about this prop firm, they have a free trial. Just like E8 funding, they also have a trial. FTMO, they also have a trial. And then what else? What else? A smart prop trader, they are also having a trial. So, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, proprietary trading tailored for you. Our tailors have been busy. They made our service a perfect fit for you. So, easy entry, challenge, huge payout, free trial, refundable fees, great support. So it seems like this one they are good. Easy entry, trade up to S50 without going through any challenge, just like that. So what are they saying again? Trade up to S50,000 without going through any challenge, just like that. So challenge, if you are down for a challenge, you get to manage a quantum capital of up to 400k, huge payout. You do the work, so it's only fair you take the bigger cut. You get up to 90% of the profits with no strings attached. Free trial. If you don't want the easy entry and you are also not ready for a challenge, here you go. The free trial. There is no payout in the free trial. Refundable fees. No monthly fees, no hidden cost, no recurring cost, just a one-time fee. You get to earn it back too. So great support. Get support from the most beautiful set of people. We are here for you 365 days, 24/7. Just kidding. We also take breaks once in a while. So here now, if you want to go through the rules, guys, let me just quickly go through the rules. I will be quick. Here is how you do it. Evaluation, risk management. The number one technique in becoming a good and successful trader is proper risk management. We give enough time for trader to scale to the next phase. If you didn't hit the target at the end of the specified time, get in touch so we can consider giving you an extension or retake the evaluation. That's the good thing about this. Evaluation phases and targets. Phase 1, evaluation. This phase is set to test your skills and ability to manage risk. You are required to achieve a profit target of 8% within 60 calendar days. That's the good thing about this prop firm. So, phase 2, evaluation. This phase overall confirms that yes, indeed, you are a good trader that follows rules. You are required to achieve a profit target of 5% within 60 calendar days. Note, the countdown starts from the time the first trade is taken. So the maximum funded account per user, is 600k. This means that no user can have more than 600k in total across all their funded accounts at any given time. Trading behavior. We advise traders to be wary of their risk management profile. Therefore, having a good trading plan, strategy, and risk management will enable you to complete the evaluation. However, consumer traders allow news trading, swing trading, scalping, etc. But traders should know that the market has the highest volatility during the events and news. Instruments. Consumer traders offer some of the best products available for traders. You can trade forex, indices, cryptocurrency, commodities, stocks, and CFDs. Note, every now and then, product list might be updated based on the availability of liquidity, margin leverage, and other factors. We may remove a product should there be users not passing the evaluation phase to those products. Traders can hold trades overnight and over the weekend. That is good, but only cryptocurrency can be traded on weekends. So expert advisors, consumer traders allow EA trading. We do not allow latency arbitrage, reverse arbitrage, gap trading, high frequency trading, opposite account trading, or any trading activity that take advantage of the inefficiency of the MetaTrader platform. Anyone partaking in such activity will have their trades adjusted to the executed fair price that we have received from the liquidity pool, and we will consequently result to account suspension and subsequently termination. We advise traders to send us their source code if they wish. Profit split. After evaluation phase, consummate traders will pay you at the end of the first month and subsequently you get paid monthly. Below is how traders will get paid in the evaluation phase. So phase 1, phase 2, there's no payment. So first funded month up to 90% plus 15% of evaluation phase plus registration fees. You get your registration fees, guys. Evaluate plus 50% of evaluation fees, guys, at the end of the month. So subsequent month up to 90 monthly. So you'll be paid monthly. So drawdown. The evaluation phase offer an overall drawdown limit of 12%. That is good. That is good, guys. That is good. And a 6% daily drawdown of a starting equity of the day. Breaching this will result in a termination of an account. Note, consumer traders might review a terminated account if a trader breached a drawdown loan, risk in profit. If you follow a proper risk management practice, position size, number of trades, etc., we might be forgiven to issue you your profit at the time of termination if appeared. However, we will not issue any payout of your profits if our review showed that you participated in risk trading and breached a drawdown rule. Scaling up, consumer traders aim at offering an incremental payout system to traders. Therefore, if you achieved a profit of 10% or more than within a 3-month period consecutively, your account size will be increased by 20% on request. Upon request, trader should be break even or positive with the account balance. No losses. No traders and consumer traders are liable for losses. However, we encourage traders to practice a good risk management and follow a good trading plan. So this one is a good problem, guys. Guys, this one is a good problem. What I'm reading here, if it's what they are doing, this is a good problem. So, reset. If an account incur a violation, that account will be suspended and will not qualify for any future payout. If a trader would like to continue with the program, he or she will have an opportunity to continue at a discounted price. The registration fees is referred to as reset fees, as you will obtain a brand new account. Refunds. Consumer traders will refund all traders who pass the evaluation phase on their first profit split period at the end of the first month. Not only will you receive the first month payout, but additionally, you will receive your fee and 15% of the evaluation model profits. That's the good thing about this problem. I think this problem is good. I will try out. I will try out. This is one of the best. This is one of the best. Probably one of the best 10 in the world so far. What I'm seeing, if what I'm seeing here on the website is true, they are a good problem. So, account credentials. Safety. Traders are responsible for ensuring account safety. We don't reinstate accounts that have been hacked or distributed to third parties for trading or loss. In case of such, get in touch with our team as quick as you can so we can handle the situation and run you through security protocols. Inactivity, if you are planning to take a break from trading, you can reach to us so that we pause your trading account. A 30 days inactive account will automatically be achieved. And if you do not reach us within 10 days with the reason for the inactivity, we will permanently suspend the account. So here guys, here is the consummate traders guys. So let me just go back quickly so that I can tell you now prices, daily drawdown and other stuff. So I already went through the rules. So it only takes 4 simple steps. Create an account. If you are down for a challenge, you get to manage a capital of 400k. Choose a model. Once you have created an account, you get to choose from Express Pro, Express Right, Express Evaluation Model. Start trading. After paying the registration fee, you can start trading right away with the best tools and conditions. Get paid. We pay up to 90% of the profit generated on the accounts traded. You traded. So get started now. Let's see now. Let's see now our trading models. This one is Express Light. Express Light as I'm mentioning it now. So account 5k account, 10k account, 15k account, 25k and 50k account. So I can see this one is more. This one is for Africans. This one. So profit target is 10% within 2 months, then no target afterwards. So leverage is 1 to 100. Oh, this one is too much here. This leverage is too much for us, especially for the, it's too much for the beginners traders. Not for me, but for other traders. Because me, I normally use 1 to 500. I only use up to 1 to 500 leverage. But if you are a beginner trader, please stick to 1 to a lower leverage, guys. Too much leverage, you can lose more. You might gain more. You might win more, but you might lose more also. So minimum trading days, no minimum trading days, scaling up to 20%, scaling for every 15% made within 3 months after assessment phase. Max daily loss is 6%, which is good. Max loss is 10%, it's also good. So I like this idea. So now here are the prices now. Here are the prices. Okay, fee is now on the 50k 69, not 50k but 5k. On the 5k account, as you can see here, on the 5k account, it is what? Price is 69 US dollar. And on the 10k, price is 80 US dollar. And on the 15k is 169 dollars. And on the 25k is 269, and on the 550k, let me check. Yeah, on the 50k, it's 499. So now this one is up to you now. So you can choose which accounts do you want. So now let me go through so this one is a phase one, I think. This could be the phase one express right now. So this one is, oh, this one you just get your account. This one is an evaluation. So this one is not an evaluation, but the evaluation is this one. So now let's look at the evaluation. The evaluation starts with the 55k, 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, 200k, 400k. Phase one, target is 8%, 60 days. Phase two is 5% in 60 days. Leverage is 1 to 100. Minimum trading is no minimum trading. This scaling plan, max daily loss 6%, loss max loss is 12%. Profit split, as I went through, I won't repeat this one again. So refundable fees now. These are the refundable fees now. So now looking at the 5k. So this one is one of the cheapest one. This one, 49 US dollar. And 10k is just 84. And 20k, 25k 25k is 200, and 50k is 300, and 100k 100k is 500, and 200k is 979, and 400k is 1849. So this is evaluation, guys. Now Express Pro is a 5k, 15k, 25k, and 50k. So prices are, this one is 229, and this one 15k is 669, and 25k is 1199, 19, and 50k is 2229. So now this one is okay. Minimum trading challenge period is 0. Minimum trading days is 5 days. Max daily loss, max loss is 5%. Profit split is 70%. So me, I actually like the challenge and the express light. So let's look at the synthetic. So this one for synthetic now, a 5k account is 99, and the 10k account is 189, and the 20k account 249. So this program is good, guys. They have many programs that you can choose from. It's up to you. So here directly from our traders, we put a lot of work in what we do. So we are always happy with the feedback we receive. So here are the feedback that came from traders that are already using it. So now let me just quickly subscribe to this. I don't know if they have a Discord. I think they don't have a Discord. So they do have a Discord. Yeah, they do have a Discord. I can see here. They do have a Discord. So this is one of the best. This is, I think, this is probably the best. This is probably the best prop firms in Africa now. As you can see here, it's probably the best. They all now let me get to the other rows now. Trading models. Let me check the trading models. Now here, choose your style now. We have created 4 models that fit you: Evaluation Express Lite, Express Pro, and Synthetic models. All 4 have unique features for you to explore. We suggest you go through the models and select one that suits your trading style. So you can choose, guys. You can choose. Synthetic package allows you to trade synthetic indices. These indices mimic real world market movement but aren't affected by real world events. They have constant volatility and are free of market and liquidity risk. To have access to a funded account, you would need to undergo 2 phases of evaluation to prove your tradings, guys. This is synthetic, guys. Synthetic now. This I went through this one already. I went through everything. I went through everything here, so I don't want to repeat myself. So, guys, this is one of the best prop firms in Africa. So you can see on their prices they also have MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So they are one of the cheapest one in the industry so far, as I have seen. So yeah, guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you have any question regarding what I've discussed in this video. Or if you would like to join our Telegram group is free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. It's for free. I don't sell anything. So guys, I don't sell anything in the forex industry for now. So the only little thing that you can do for me is just by liking the video, sharing the content, or sharing the video, commenting down below, guys, if you have any questions. Join our free telegrams for free. So bye, guys.